Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. So, I think my stream is on. Uh, Everything is sounds good. Is everything everything is set, right? Um, Stream is on, right? Can you guys just if anyone is watching on any of the platforms, can you just give a reply? gonna be a continuous fall from here. I'm, I mean, if this candle is also going red, then I'll trail my stop loss. I'll take it down to yeah. Hope the stream is running properly. I don't think there is any issues with the connection or uh the platform. If you wish to mention something, like if you had entered this trade that I had mentioned here in the last stream before I left, then like it went even better than what I expected. It's like I think I mean, where did I? Oh, I think I said it somewhere here. Yeah, I just want to see how much it went. I did not take this trade personally. I just took a nap. I just gave my throat a little rest because the people who joined my uh trade in the morning knows that my throat was not feeling the best today morning. 'Actually, this if this is a small pullback that's happening, that's actually good, so that I can take my stop loss to almost that range. 36 seconds for this candle's closure. Give me a moment. I'll just take another cloth. And it's two stupidities right now, guys. Like, I just used my display cleaner for my lens. I don't know what I was thinking. I was just too much into trade. Most probably, I was just thinking about that. Why did I keep it here? Just because if a sudden rise happens, like after booking $500 of profit, I don't want to go to negative. So yeah, that's why I kept it here. And if you want, you can just trail it somewhere to here or to this level for now. That is also very much possible. Uh, if the market continues to fall, if this if this current candle goes back to red, then I'll take the high of this as the new stop loss, modify the stop loss. Can you make some black tea? Very a small stop loss right now. If you see this is my stop loss. This is where I started. I do agree with that. But my current stop loss, and I generally don't keep my targets. I'll be just trailing and trailing and trailing. Yes, as we expected, the market is going down. So I'll just take this stop loss down to this level. That is the high of this swing. As soon as this candle closes. Just see what's happening in the 1 minute charts. Why is it moving? Oh, oh, has to break down from here. Just keep watching the 1 minute charts for now. Because anyway, it's a scalp that we have planned. We're gonna scalp and scalp and scalp till you can read the title. most probably. Zerodh said. So for those who have kept the stop loss here, cool. Because this is yeah, it doesn't look like an uptrend to me as of now. So like for those who have kept the stop loss here, I would say let it remain there because I have already booked my profits for the day today morning itself. So that is why I do not want to know, keep like my original position sizes. That's why I took it down here. I still have the feeling that the market would come down from. Those who know my trading style, they would already know I would not have to explain. I keep really short stop losses and I keep hunting it. I just am of the theory that whatever money you trade, maximum of that should be taken home. So because of that, I always keep a very small stop loss and I just keep trailing it very regularly. Stop loss executed. I'm out of the trade. It's actually a sudden spike. Okay, now we'll see. I'll wait for the end of this candle, and if the current 1 minute candle does not cross, or if it crosses above this, like sure for sure, even at least a small pullback would happen. And then I'll plan my entry, the pullback right from there. Why did I draw it right away? Just to sorry, just to like have that in my head that there is something that is there. That's a strong fall. For those who wish to have a fresh entry, I don't think like the 1 minute. Hey Krishna. Beautiful fall, man. Oh God. Like for those who had kept their stop losses above this, for them it would have been great profits right now. The pullback that happened, stop loss. Then that was a pullback. It's a small profit game for me. That's a very small profit target that profit that I'm gonna gain from this. Oh my god. Yeah, hurrying to the trade. Okay, for those, I just took a trade on 1 minute and changed the candle back to 5. Okay, I'll just update the rates for you right now. One second. What is likely to happen? Should not cross this is what I say, because it should come down. Not because I am in a trade. It's just because of this pullback, and just above this pullback I shall take the stop loss down as soon as this exits from here. My entry was missed by like a couple of dollars, but still it's fine. I thought I was on the 5 minute when I entered the trade. Just a little too concerned about my throat, and I'm just overthinking about it at the moment. I can feel that. I'm gonna be here. If it exits this range, then it's gonna give nearly another $1,000 for me. With this fall, how much is the market supposed to fall? Like when I took this entry, my target was around here, and I'm gonna stick to it even if it hits my stop loss. I know my stop loss here is pretty much small compared to the last one that I had. Like if I had entered the trade here, if you guys remember, so this is what I should have held on to, which I did not. And I don't regret taking trades. So what happened, I don't regret as long as it is the losses are okay to me according to my risk to reward. I'm completely fine with it. If things go as calculated, then great. So this was my first target, and this is my second target. Well, I trail the stop loss too. That'll depend totally on the next candle. I'll For now I'll just take it down to around this range so that I am out of that risk, because I just jumped into this trade with a small mistake. I was analyzing the charts on 5 minute chart frame, and then just before entering I went to the 1 minute chart frame, and I took a wrong entry there. So because of that, I'll just keep it to CTC, not risking my position. Like here, with a small profit, so that my uh brokerage and things would be handled here. And I'll wait here. If it hits, fine, because that was not my entry at the first position. Second, if it falls from here, then I'll make a proper entry. Calculate the proper stop loss and everything. Uh, Really small profits. Now, did you understand why I took it just below my buy price so that I would not have to suffer this loss? Because I just realized that I made a mistake, that I entered the trade at the last moment, like just looking at the 1 minute chart when I was analyzing the whole chart, throughout the analysis was done on a 5 minute chart. That is why I kept it just below. I knew that there is a risk factor that is here. That is why I did not wanna risk the profits that I made here. It's fine. Still, like I'll get what, maybe like just a couple of dollars, but yeah, still would get that. For me, long positions only above of this range. Strategy. It's just I'll be following OHLC, like open, high, low, close. So my trades for the I think it's the biggest candle formed today. Yeah, like I know when I'm gonna fall ill, guys. It sustains this value great. See if profit booking happens here. If it happens around like 109. If that happens, then we can expect a fallback, and if it break out, gives a breakout from this range and then gives a retracement, then we can plan for some long position. Don't jump in with fear of missing out, because if you enter somewhere here and if it comes out even for a small retest, then oh, maybe am I missing out something? Did some news or something come up? Some great big candle, bro. I just noticed how big it is. Last 10 minutes, and the price range has come from almost $500. 10 minutes. Am I missing out some news or something that's happening right now? One second. Crazy. We are planning if it crosses like 109, we'll take a trade on the long side. But then it was not, this is not like a normal breakout, just a phenomenal one, happens once in a blue moon. Like it just broke out and is rallying like two candles, $600. We'll see, but don't guys, just viewers, if you are watching my stream, don't jump into any of these trades. Please wait for a pullback retracement, then we'll plan a trade on the long side. Consider this as a bottom trade and pullback of it. Because above this, for me, according to my studies, 109,650 is the next main resistance that's gonna be there. Till then, I think the head and shoulder, guys. Like, don't take it wrong. If you had entered a trade, the fear of missing out somewhere in the top of this candle have almost liquidated your whole capital. Please, guys, please just don't jump into trades. Okay, this is a pullback. You can consider this as a pullback. And now, but like, where would you enter in on the call side? Above this, this is your stop loss, and there's no point. That's why just wait. Then I would say let the market settle a bit. Let the market settle a bit. Don't jump into any trades right away. Let it just settle. Let it settle. Let it come back to like around 109, and then maybe give a take this whole thing as a pullback, and then give us a small stop loss which is actually trailable for us, and then let it move up. Okay, just don't jump into any trades. Wait, okay, just don't want you guys to lose your capital, that's it. See, if you had entered anywhere, like look how big this is. If you had entered anywhere here, if you're still holding it, I know what to say. That's why I was like, don't jump into a trade right away. Let the market settle. This don't jump into any trades right now, please. Even here, don't plan an entry. Tell you why don't plan an entry right now. Not a fresh entry. It's just a fresh trap. A, a long position above of this. This is your stop loss, and this should be your first target. Look at it. So please, do not jump into a position right now. Just wait. Let the market settle a little bit. I'll join back the stream in 10 minutes. Oh, by then, like those of you who are watching watching the stream, just let me know if uh interested. Matlab, if you wish to see captions for this stream, so that you can just mute my sound and just have the captions. If you wish to have a closed captions for this live stream, just let me know so that I can work it on after this stream. I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Do not enter, do not jump into a trade right now, please. said that. See, if you had made an entry here with this as a stop loss, even that is taken. That's why I was like, just wait a little bit. Market is supposed to come down. Ooh, that's crazy. I was waiting a little too much here. I was just thinking if it give us a small pullback, but it happened the 1 minute chart, not in this one. But now it's not a good entry because 1 minute may like come back up till here and it's almost nearing our channel that we made before. So I'm not gonna take any trades right now, but rather wait. Don't take this as a pullback because it's almost near a support range. Don't take this as a pullback. Please monitor. I don't know if any, but yeah, please don't enter this trade here because that can be a real stupid decision. If it goes back into this channel, then I'll just exit the stream, bro. Like for real, like it's not gonna be fun if it's inside of this channel. You just waste the time. Like you can just zoom out, you'll see that in this particular channel, multiple supports and resistances are there. They'll most likely just play around inside of this area for a long time before giving a proper breakout or a breakdown. So I'm not interested if it goes back into this. What do you guys feel like? Is it gonna go back into the channel? In that case, can I just end the stream? If you feel that it might not, and it'll just there's no trade below of this. I really wish this candle is a small. It's a green candle, and the next one is a small red with a retracement, and then the uptrend continues. At least till this value, you'll get an uptrend, which can make us some money if I just change this and go to the option. But if it's gonna like if this is gonna be a big candle, then nah. Or if it's gonna come down, then too, I'm out. Only if this is a pullback, not out. This is a pullback, not a very small pullback, something like this. Then I might take a trade. If it's even like closing below half of this green amount. Hey Nancy, like I'm oh anyway, she can't hear. This is continuing the green candle, then as I had already said, like I'm out. If this candle is gonna form a doji or an inverted hammer, then too I fear that I would have to end the stream, because then movements might happen only like around 10:30, 11 Indian time. This candle closing in this range and the next giving a small candle cannot be considered a retracement, because this will actually work as a small resistance zone. So I would say do not jump into a trade here as well. I know today I've missed out a lot of opportunities for you guys, but like it's better to keep your capital safe rather than making losses. That's why. Just imagine like any trade that I've asked you not to take, it would have all just ended up bad for you. Like if you had taken a trade here, like on here, anything would have cost you a lot of money. So that is why I'm repeating this. Just wait. Do not jump into taking any trades, at least for today. Yesterday we booked almost $10,000. Day for yesterday on YouTube stream we booked almost like $7,000. So please, I don't remember if it was day for yesterday or the day before that, but yeah, in the last couple of days we have already made like 20-25 grand. So don't lose that money that you have made in the last couple of days. That's all I have to say. I'm just ending the stream. Don't think it's gonna give a potential move for the next 2 hours. So yes, are there any questions, any chats that I've not responded to? I hope I have answered to anything. Yeah, Nancy, you can just maybe type if something, if you're offering something, or if you have any doubts, you can just type it in. I'll just try to solve whatever is possible. On Okay, I don't think any other streams have any other chats that I have to reply to. So yep, thank you so much for joining today. If you liked our content, make sure you subscribe or follow depending on which streaming platform you're watching from. uh your support is what keeps us motivated to make contents consistently. I'll see you. I'll just see if I can join at night, like around 10:30. If I feel that there is a possible momentum or movement that can happen, so if I feel it that way, then I'll definitely join the stream by around 10:30. If I don't think there's gonna be anything big, and the next move would be around 3:30. Whenever I tell time, I'm telling time of India. Okay, considering just whenever you see this is, you can see on my stream, you'll be able to see the time in India. So that is what I'll be. No retracements, nothing. So please don't jump into trades here. So yeah. What was he saying? I'm forgetting. So yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Whenever I mention time, I'll be mentioning Indian time, and so like at, if the market is just gonna give a momentum, like if I feel that the market is gonna give momentum only around like 3:30, then I would not be joining the stream. If I feel there's a spike in volume, little trades happening, like good, and if there is any opportunity in the market which I feel can happen, then I'll join maybe around 10:30, maybe in an hour or two. Okay, thank you so much for joining the stream. uh See ya. And the night stream would not I would not be doing it on uh YouTube most likely. It would depend, because last 2 days I've noticed that my YouTube views have dropped considerably, so I might not be streaming on YouTube tonight. I'll most probably just stick on to the timings that I used to stream on YouTube for live streaming on YouTube. But on the other platforms, definitely, like, I'll try my best to join uh, if I feel there is a momentum that's gonna happen. I'll see you at 10:30. Bye. Good night.